So here it is. NHRA Funny Car driver Tony Bartone sent us his 2018 Camaro ZL1 1LE to add some power. Let's check out what we did. The ZL1 1LE comes with a satin black vinyl wrap on the hood. It's a little bit different than the satin black that's used on the mirrors and the splitter. So we removed the hood and painted it the same satin black color that's on the mirrors. All right, let's show you what's under the hood. In a previous video, we showed you how we developed a new camshaft for the LT4. In this engine, we developed yet another cam specifically tailored to the 2.9 liter supercharger we're about to show you. Okay, so we equipped this engine with a Whipple 2.9 liter supercharger. We use a Katech billet 103mm throttle body going into a Rotofab air intake system. Once again, this is an all-new camshaft specifically tailored to use with the Whipple 2.9 liter supercharger. We also CNC ported the cylinder heads with our standard LT4 cylinder head port. Like all of our camshafts, we validated on the Spintron to make sure the valve train was stable and durable. We also had this engine on the engine dyno just to validate that entire cam package. This is a manual transmission car, so it also got our billet aluminum flywheel for LT1 and LT4. This saves 25 pounds off the drivetrain, helps the engine rev up much faster. We baseline this car at 542 rear wheel horsepower and 501 rear wheel torque. When we're all done, this car made a massive 758 rear wheel horsepower and 664 rear wheel torque. So this car with our stage 3 head and cam package plus the Whipple 2.9 liter supercharger made over 216 rear wheel horsepower more than the baseline. As usual, for that signature sound, we added a Corsa exhaust system. We know you guys want to hear how these engines sound, so we're going to take it outside, do some sound clips. It's only 35 degrees out today. We're going to struggle for traction, but we'll do our best. Feel that? 4,000 RPM, just like 25% throttle. If you like Camaros, we've got 2 more ZL1s right after this one, so stay tuned. This ZL1's getting a ported supercharger, more boost, and the 1LE aero parts. That's it for today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram and Facebook.